and we have this container right here. This is how big the container is. This is how big it is. Okay, and then I have the apple cider vinegar. I drink the apple cider vinegar, 1 bottle already. I drink 1 bottle already, and this is the amount leaving the second bottle. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to blend up the skin, every single thing here, and put it in this container. Add 2 cups of warm water. I'm just going to add some warm water until it's full, and that will be my weight loss supplement, also my detox. Here I'm going to blend it and mix it with the honey. That will help to build my immune system. So I'm going to take a teaspoon every morning. Also stop me from getting sick, because you know when you do a detox, your immune system is completely changed. So whatever you did immune to is basically gets a little bit, you know, confused to the bacteria. So I want to make sure, so I'm gonna feed on a teaspoon of garlic, whether in the morning or in the night. I rather to take it in the night more than in the morning, because what happens, you know, you have to go in the public and your mouth might smell of garlic. By the time you sleep, brush your teeth, go to bed, then wake up, brush your teeth, and get enough time to cleanse. So that's why I'm gonna do it in the night. So what happened now with these lemon, you know, I'm gonna blend the skin and everything. So after washing them properly, this is what I use. Salt again. I use salt to wash the skin again properly, just in case you never can tell. There are some place that spray their ground provision, or these are fruits, you know. I don't know, I just wash them with salt to make sure the skin is properly washed, and any little bugs, any little thing. I'm not saying that will ever be on it, I've never seen it on it, but I normally grow up and know that you use salt to wash fruits, or vinegar, just to get off anything that crawl on it. I wash it properly with the salt and so forth. So guys, right, so this is my weight loss drink and detox. So as you can see, as I show you before, I blend up everything together, the lemon skin, the lemon gut, and the juice, everything. And to get this water in it, is, as you can see, it's not a lot of water in there. Everything I'm gonna drink, I'm not gonna strain it either. If you're a male, I suggest you strain it, but it won't do anything to you because your body will break it down. I don't think you should strain it, just drink it same way. It's like a smoothie anyway because it's well crushed, so just drink it same way. I'm just gonna drink this bottle until it's this jar until it's finished, and you're good to go. Just for you. But what happened, right, when I drink it, it have the little I say the stuff them from the lemon, so you can just chew and swallow, and if you can't bear it, strain it. Simple, because the juice is already there. But I'm gonna try to eat as much as I can. Ooh. I need to stand and see my vagina. So, I need to clean text. Every morning. The rhyme in it, yeah, that's why I make up my face so. But it's not that strong that you can't bear it.